Today I'm going to show you how to customize your e-commerce website in a really beautiful way, and it's yours. It's not nothing like that. I here actually, for example, for the product. Okay, so if you can use for free e-commerce website, do it like that. Okay, if I do it like that, you can do it. Okay, so what I need to do is go to Shopify and I can use any theme I want. So before I do that, let's see this product. Okay, this product is, it's clothing. It's custom comfort color vintage pet t-shirt. So I think it's really cute. And today I'm going to show you how to actually build e-commerce website for free. So let's begin with that. So what I need to do is go to Shopify. So let's actually go to Shopify. So inside the Shopify, what you need to do is click on the start free 3-day trial. Okay, you don't need to a credit card for start with selling with that. It's really powerful and it's really easy. So what you need to do, click on the free trial now. After you click on free trial now, you pick any plan you want. So let's assume you pick any plan you want and you come to this page. What you need to do is actually add your information, name, store name, email, password, and comfort your password. Click on register, notify that, and you inside the dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard. Here in the I am in the dashboard. So let's actually pick the new store. Okay, so I think vintage pet t-shirt, I think it's really cool. So let's do that, vintage pet t-shirt. Let's pick a template. Okay, so I actually pick this template, fashion. Okay, simple. After that, click on create. Great. So we have now the fashion. Move to the vintage pet fashion, the fashion, the t-shirt, and go to your dashboard. Okay, so let's actually looking how it's actually right now looking. So we don't have anything here, nothing. Great. So what we need to do is add a new product. Well, so go to the product section inside the menu, go to menu category, and we can go and add a new category. So first of all, this is really easy. Okay, you don't need technical stuff or something like that. So the category I'm going to pick is tops and tee. Let's do it t-shirt. Okay, great. Click on status and click on create. Go to a product inside this section of product, and now click on create new product. Here I'm going to actually replicate this product because I actually I like that. So custom comfortable color vintage pet t-shirt. So let's do that. I added this one to the description, and this one is vintage. This is the name. Okay, choose the category, and you can fill anything inside here you want. Price 21. Let's do 19, and let's do for the 16. I'm going to sell that. Click on display product. I'm going to actually use this image, but I assume you have an image to do that. I click on this one. Okay, I see they have the video, so I want this too. This one. Okay. Okay, now we actually back in the dashboard of Shopify. I click on the add upload. So we have 4 image. This is the gallery. Upload cover. I like this one too. And because I have the video, I actually can upload that. So I upload that. If I add more, information on here, I can add it. And I click save. Great. Let's actually see how it's looking. Yep. Here are your vintage pet t-shirts. Let's actually click on that. And it's here, okay? You have the price, you have everything here. You can click on, the image. Pretty good. And we have inside the video. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. So what we need to do now, if we want to change logo, if we want to change anything else, it's really, really easy, okay? So go back to the theme preview. Click on that and click on the customize on your theme. After that, you can click any element you want in here and you can change it. If I actually inside the element of the logo, you can see in the right column, you can add any text you want, okay? If I click on this element, I have anything I want here, okay? See? So I can change any image or text I want. So it's really, really, really simple, okay? Okay, so you have the image and you have the product. So if someone is actually want to buy, they click on add to cart. Let's actually see if it's good. Yeah, process checkout. Okay. If they want more, they click on add new cart, process to the checkout, and it's really, really beautiful. And they have the payment method inside. So if you want to add a payment method to your e-commerce website, go to the settings. Inside the settings, go to payment settings, and you can add any settings of payment, okay? So let's do this one for Stripe, and I go to the save settings. Great. So we have this one. If you want more, if you want to use PayPal and want more, Telegram, WhatsApp, something like that, you can use it too. So it's, convenience for your customers to pay you in different way of payment, not only one. So it's really, really cool for them and for you. So I hope I help you. If you want more, click on and watch the other video. If you want to use this powerful platform to build your brand on your store, go to the link on the description below. I see you in the next time. Bye bye.